All right, so I'm here at the Evansville, Southern Indiana Antique Machinery Show. We're here for the Farm Toy Show, but of course they have this incredible tractor show and lawn and garden show with it. And so I'm just gonna walk around and take a look at some of these tractors. And you know, I always thought like it'd be cool to interview people and things like that, but I'm not much of an interviewer, and I'll be honest, this is gonna shock some of you guys. I'm a little bit shy. So I'm just gonna walk around and enjoy these tractors. And so we got a Model A unstyled. We got a B right beside it, looking really good. Here we have another A, and then we have a styled A. So in case you're wondering what styled is, styled, this front is closed in, where the unstyled, you can see the steering gear and all that up front there. 30/20 narrow front with a little weight suitcase up front there, beautiful. And we're gonna get into some red. Got a McCormick and some Mini Mo, so that's a yellow there. Needs a little restoration, or not. If it runs, who cares? Got a Massey Harris 44 and a John Deere B with a cool little chrome pipe there. Now we're getting into the R, which I always loved these R's. That big long hood, I think is super underrated as far as a look on a tractor. I'll come on over here. Got another A. I mean, there were a lot of those A's sold, so not surprising that we see them today here at shows. What a beautiful G. That is a very nice looking G. Check out the steel wheel. Model A there, so that's kind of fun. We've got the steel, then you've got the, of course, unstyled, and then you got the styled on rubber and the unstyled on rubber down farther there. Here we have a Model B. Beautiful restoration on that. Beautiful paint. Another G. I always thought these cases were cool. I always thought it was cool how the linkage came outside the tractor and up front there. I just always thought that was really neat. The case Model D, and I always like those too because of the compactness. That'd be cool to own one of those someday. Here we've got a 60. I love the chrome John Deere emblem on the front of that. Then he's got himself a 60 tractor sitting up top there. Very cool. Now we're getting into the big dog, 730. The yellow stripe down the side. So you can tell it's a 30 series. You're gonna have this yellow stripe here. So I always love those. And he's got him a little 730 sitting atop his muffler on that guy too. Model G with the duals. How cool is that with duals? Let's just be honest, guys, that's super cool. We got another Deere here. Listen, I'm just gonna go out on a limb. What do you think that is? 530 maybe? I don't know. So Ford, the theme here is Ford. There's Ferguson over there. And what I'm gonna do, because this video is up almost around 4 minutes, I'm actually gonna stop and I'll do this in a couple different videos. That way, this isn't one like long 15 or 20 minute video.